Yes, that magical time of the year is here, and it's Halloween, my favorite holiday, because it's so much fun and it has so many stories to tell. And of course, there are stories about crystals too. So in this video, we will talk about crystals for witches or the wise women. So stay tuned. Hey, Liana here from Everyday Crystal Magic. Welcome back. And in this video, we will talk about crystal for witches. And when thinking about crystals for witches or wise women, think about two things. The ability of clairvoyance, when in the role of the soothsayer. And number two, the medicine woman, the doctor, the nurse, and midwife, all in one. The medicine woman was the one who devoted her life to the service of her village, her community, and neighbors. Those who will lend a helping hand in remote locations when there were no doctors, because all doctors were at the service of the nobles, the rich, and royalty. Do you know that? So when thinking about clairvoyance, a very important crystal comes to mind, and that is ulexite. This crystal is for the third eye chakra. It's a third eye opener, a stone to see far and to help with reading the energies and intention of others, which came very handy for a witch who was concerned about her own personal safety. Other things ulexite help witches with are dream recall, telepathy, and is also a crystal to reach across dimensions. This crystal is for the higher chakras, third eye, crown, and soul star. Now you would think these women were appreciated in their communities, but we have seen how they were treated. So no wonder there was a need for protection. Lucky for us that we have larvikite, a crystal for spiritual and physical protection. Larvikite, like the other one in the feldspar family, labradorite, protects your auric field. It helps to access your inner strength so you can weather the storm. Now, when in the role of medicine woman, any healing crystal will work, but these are my top picks for the day-to-day for the witches. Number one, moss agate, the farmer's stone, to help grow your herbs garden and get everything you need for teas, tinctures, and concoctions. Now remember that evil spirits were the cause of disease, so for this, juicy quartz to connect with the spirit realm, do the magic, and smoky quartz to connect with ancestors for physical healing and scrying. So the next time you hear the word witch, think of service and the kindness these women showed to their villages through many times what was a short, lonely, and difficult life. Try to see them in a different light. And after all, this is the season of the witch.